question.
Isahin ko para malaman ng mga audience sa ko na yung
What's the question?
Question mo ay, what Gabal character class would be the best character that relates to your real life personality? Explain why. So, anong character na yun mas nalalapit sa personality mo in real life?
Saan ka, anong character class ka
character class
nakaka-relate?
Well, I'm gonna choose the fourth shoulder. Why I say so? Because from the name itself, fourth shoulder. Shoulder, I'm a shoulder. I'm a shoulder of my family. I'm a shoulder of my friends. And I'm a shoulder for the whole people who loves me a lot. And that will be all. Thank you.
Kahit nag-brown out, nandun pa rin confidence sa sasunod na.
Para sa kanya talaga yun eh. Parang
Moment yun, moment.
Diretso pa ba?
Pagka bumaba, naiinitan ka na.
Hindi ka pa nga nanalo,